Hello travellers, so today we're taking a look at the Mountain Warehouse Endeavour 12L backpack, and I will be doing a giveaway of this bag, so stay tuned to the end for details of that. This backpack is surprisingly affordable and surprisingly well made and has a lot of great organisational pockets to keep everything in place. The bag is aimed at those looking for a hiking pack or an active pack, and I say this mainly because it has a hydration hole at the top and built-in sternum straps. Starting with the build quality, it is very well made and feels like it would be more expensive than it is. It has a comfortable mesh back and the straps are also padded and comfortable as well. It has a retail price of 62 Australian dollars, 42 US dollars or 33 pounds, but it's regularly on sale for a price of 30 Australian dollars, 20 US dollars or 16 pounds. And at this price, I think that it's an absolute steal, especially for all the features that you get. Although the fabric is not specified on the website, it feels like it's a durable nylon. It is somewhat water resistant, but it is not waterproof. Water will soak into the back padding and the non-waterproof zippers. There are 3 smaller pockets on the outside of the bag, in addition to the 2 mesh water bottle pockets on the sides. Inside the main compartment is a rear sleeve, which can fit about a 13-inch laptop, and on the top is a small hidden stash pocket. The larger front pocket has a couple of mesh pockets and a smaller zippered pocket, as well as a key clip. And the smaller pocket on the front is just an empty pocket. There's a lower zippered pocket on the bottom front of the bag, which I found very useful for power banks or sunglasses. The bag is 12 litres in capacity, which may sound small but is actually surprisingly roomy. It would make a great day pack or a hiking bag depending on your needs. I decided to see how much I could fit into the bag and was quite surprised. I was able to fit my 13-inch MacBook Pro in the rear sleeve, a small packing cube with some clothes, my tech pack, which you can click in the top right to see my review of, and my camera packing cube. Overall, a really great bag and a fantastic price, and I would highly recommend checking it out if you're in the market for a new day pack or a hiking bag. So that's it, thanks very much for watching, and be sure to check the link in the description for the giveaway. I'm going to be giving away this exact bag, so it's not going to be brand new, but it is basically as new. Just go ahead and enter it with the link in the description for your chance to win this bag. Also be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.